In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add snow to Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a festive snowfall effect gliding across your storefront, perfect for seasonal promotions or just adding a little magic to your brand. First, head to the Shopify App Store. You can get there from your Shopify admin by opening the Apps section and selecting the option to visit the Shopify App Store, or by searching for it in your browser. This is where you'll find trusted plug-and-play tools that integrate directly with your store, so you won't need to touch any code. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar and type snow effect. This will bring up a range of apps designed to overlay animated snow on your pages. Take a quick moment to skim ratings, recent reviews, and screenshots. Look for notes about theme compatibility and whether there's a free plan or trial. If you run a heavy media site or expect lots of mobile traffic, consider an app that mentions lightweight animation or performance controls. Next, install your preferred app. Click the app, then select the Install or Add App button. Approve the permission so it can display visual effects on your storefront. Most of these apps guide you through a simple onboarding screen immediately after installation. After installation, enable the effect inside the app's dashboard. Typically, there's a main toggle or an activate button. Some apps will use a theme app extension. If you see a prompt to enable it in your theme, follow the on-screen instructions. You should see a preview of Snowfall in the app or in your theme editor once it's active. Now customize, adjust the speed so flakes drift naturally without distracting shoppers, tune the density to control how many flakes appear at once. Lighter is usually better for readability and performance. Choose where it appears, homepage only for a subtle touch, or all pages if you want a full store experience. If the app allows, turn off the effect on mobile or reduce intensity there. You can also pick flake size, style, or color to match your brand. If an accessibility or reduced motion option is available, consider enabling it to be inclusive of visitors sensitive to animation. Finally, save your changes. Refresh your storefront and check a few key pages, including product and checkout adjacent pages, to confirm everything looks smooth and responsive. If you don't see the update right away, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window. Keep an eye on site speed and engagement. If anything feels sluggish, lower the density or limit the effect to fewer pages. That's it, enjoy your new Snowfall and happy selling.